And the call, me put earpiece for this thing. Okay, YouTube. Up na there, all my people. Okay. So this message, na small message. I not be for cause, not be for anything. I just say make I just give this message to Mary Edos. Okay. So Mary Edos, my sister. They waka dey go the street of Facebook today. This morning I saw your video where you talk to me for this gossip wahala. Gossip wahala, let me beg you and a sound warning to you. Please, if anybody refer or open their mouth, talk to the mama, the papa, don't even attach my picture to them to your DC again. No go my Facebook, no go carry my picture attached. Gossip wahala, I'm begging you for the sake of, in fact, in the name of Almighty God, that the name that una dey fear. If not juju dey fear, me and you the name of this same the ghost where they serve, me and still beg you. You understand? What it be all this nonsense now? Or when people say no one talk again, must you guys bring the person leg out? So, Mary Edos, I'm not here to insult you, my sister. No, I'm not here to insult you. I'm not here to talk to you. I just want clear things out. And not be governor of Edo State to increase house. Everybody with this abroad, they get houses. Some get 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, 100. Okay. The ones we never get, it never reach. Maybe the ones where they abroad, we never ever get house. Maybe it not going to reach how many. You understand? So Mary Edos did a video. Not be today if they do video, shall we? The video where she don't reach 3 times now, which she don't do video. I just say me, I just ignore her. But this one I say no, I must come out. Me, I just clear this air for her. Mary Edos, I beg. I not be governments. I not the governments. I not be politicians. I not dey into politics. My pa not dey there, my pa don't die. So I never sure say I will get any brothers where they do politics. Where dedicate their life into politics. Not be me or go increase houses. So me I play this audio for now. When I see as Mary Edos stay talk to me, I don't like her.
Sorrow, they don't even have money to rent the stuff. 1 naira they don't have, but they have made a lot of money that they were stupidly they stupidly throw their money away. All these women, when I see so. They don't make business.
I say you gave where she talk to me now. Not be the rest people. Wait, talk to the rest people. May I just play that, please?
Billions of naira. It's true though. Also, Mama, get her. She was said that she have a house, but the house, do you know how much they pay her? Every year, 200,000 naira. On yeki no one else yeki. I know that many of us, this thing happen to us. Even me, I get house. Me, I don't pursue my tenant. I don't feel they collect 200,000 naira a year again for 1 flat. I don't feel they get because I know how much I did build my houses. I big. I know if it build house, maybe because they pay me 200,000 naira. When you my head, when they buy you my head for 200,000 naira cash.
I want me to listen to.
Where do I pay your women with 200,000 naira a year? I will not take it. Or say even good, may government talk for that matter. Whether it good, or bugbetti ma suffer be. If my wife you want not beg be kwa. I want not say I want not one win na go kwa. I say what way. 100,000 naira. 180. Indigo maya can wa. Indigo ya fence o wa.
Now wait
Indigo ya women ya you way. Too much money. I want to win my head begging. Don't get it with none of the our Cateria. Well, one in my hair boy, one in my body, man, me gay. On 1 year. No, you know that, you know that better. The two doors. Me, I don't push my tenant. 2 house, no tenant again. My house is going to be 600 to 700,000 yearly.
Okay.
Who no carry leave my house? When I was wrong, very young. I got to look and say empty. Wow, boy, I like her. That make person when no that's about for my money. Come go they give me 200,000 naira a year. 200,000 naira for a year. You see all these women, all these women. Some of them they have 3 houses, but they are suffering. At our my very young. Make with the talk truth, make with the talk truth. Why you got to your live video? Why you wait for live video now? A bad Mofi. Why we my way live video? Ni mamigo, ni mamigo. Ni mamigo me flatty man the door a bad Mofi cause walk back here with live video now. Cause what no way. No way live video now pa. Eh why we live video now? Agboya do tie yo.
When I wait, so you guys should have some patience.
We are legal in my bellow, we ma. I'm your bopani, a mighty man, you pony railway boy. The bell one in my bolo. I'm your bonny, a mighty buy. A money railway boy, but no one in my bolo. A family beso one, a so many here. But at the end of the year, they pay us 200,000 naira a year. A bed the Mofi tie well, no the way life with you. Now boya fair me have a teajo. Now boya don't teajo. So that more we have 800, 700,000 a year. So that now me won't now it be a live video. Nia make a nario wa. Because in go and you're not selling live video. Don't use less severe now. In your first rate. Here we your bonnet, who get do me a Cateria never wavedo. Maybe up by Eva. Manego never tigoni waro da a match go. I do a Kelly go yama bought 200,000 naira, 160. It's over. You go Lahore.
You go read the place now when I watch, I beg.
Yes, some of you, they are flying. Your tenant is fly. Yes. Huh? Can you imagine? Nothing. I've been at ties. See Jennifer that day. Jennifer was proudly showing a house. Look at my house. This ties is very expensive. This is German enemy. Jennifer, come and do live video and tell us how much you are earning in your house. Or you have to wear boy men lying. I mean, no way live video done in Metana. Mammy, no way. More power, women arena. More power, this better words, Rena. The rest of you, you are just like Jennifer now. Jennifer have a lot of money. That house, Jennifer put better rent. Jennifer put better money for that house that they pay 800 a year, 700. Do you think that Jennifer Collins will be on YouTube stupid doing saga? Say hello my people, I'm sexy, me. I do not ashamed of myself. So people in Nigeria, and they don't even have money to mod block. But you build that kind of a house, you are stupid on social media. Saying, look at, people are insulting you. Like when a person don't feel insult me because, hey, he get the words where they talk. He got ladia, he get ladia. Man, because I'm a big woman, yeah, get me. In fact, the cowboy, you know, the cowboy, when I can't guy in your guy. About again, what do I feel? Go anyhow. We have money, we have house. our house. That is the problem now. We need help. All of you do live video, you do stupid live video just for YouTube to pay you and for Manzuga beg if you are not a stupid Edo woman. When you have the money, you have it already. You will be on social media insulting one another. When your house is there that you have to increase. Ew. Sorrow. Who do us? Who do us this thing? Person no fit get one level for flat a be woman. What be the bad mo fi wa ya tie wa ni ga carry president of here wa no wa be me ya tie no gbe ma wo live video na. Na gbo ya si go ko na hu le 10 at 200 la yo wa me hu lo imene. O wa me gita. Me they don't put flat on red 607 for my own. Agbo nje wa ni. They don't ija when I'm over 200. I don't care. Me your liver for. I your right for somebody. Yes! God Almighty will see my tears and help me for somebody to come and carry that house because I have right. I have right to put that amount 700 to 600 to 700. I have rights now. I pay too much money for those houses. Too much money. I hope you go near Betty, but you will now, but so have VSF. I will manage one another day, but don't care my balance. Get away. Not be the money when they collect the chopping side. At the end, otherwise 180,000 a year. Nobody go grade that one again. It's cancelled. All these women disgracing themselves on social media. They have houses. Ogianike, Imamio, Jennifer, no mamma, no, I have total zoo, yeah, or Hona with me, those concerning in my house. Eto Zua, what book by book of Bequania, where can be a dosivo? If they want Boma, what I have been a dose, one hour, may I say, I hate a bomber. Imagine Bonway, you have insulted yourself for you to forget that you have money behind. You forget, and you are fighting for YouTube and enemy. Am I lying? Only maybe made the way because all women were begging papa, but the house was very beautiful. Oh my goodness. It was but it's just there.
Okay, I just stop on for there now. Me, I just part this moment to go give Mary a dose. Mary a dose, next time, if you want to talk to people, don't use the words of insult, okay? Because you like to use words of insult when you talk to somebody, okay? Whether I get how many houses for Nigeria, whether I give them for free, me, I just give people, say, just stay there, just stay there. I don't need money, it not concern anybody, okay? The reason why I just compare this message to you, this is the third time we say you talk to me. And maybe the fourth time, I'm not sure I go appreciate her, okay? Because I'm a very nice person. I'm not like a person that put finger on my mouth, okay? Yeah, wait, man, need this saga. I'm not on YouTube because you get YouTube go. Even now, you rent to a webo, you mortgage to a webo, okay, for your information. So please, you understand? If you want to talk to people, maybe as you carry this kind of message come out, it's a very good topic. It's a good message, but don't use insults on people. Don't use insults on people. People will get houses or where they do live video. Don't use insults. There is a way you can talk to people in a very mature way, in a very in fact, in a very mature way. Say, this news, all these things, so make all the live video presenters, make now come together, make we talk about them. I go the year. Don't use words of insults, please. Okay, let today be the first and last, please, my sister Mary Dose. And when you come away with social media now, it more loud. Not be say hungry, they beat me. You understand? So me feel biggie, me radiant that way are too gallant. No, me not gallant at all. Me them anything. Now you they carry me, they come back now. You talk now. So my house this now. So I get houses and so the one where I wish show sell now. So this. Yes, but it's okay. Don't use word of insults. Talk to me in a very mature person, as a mature woman where you be. Must you use insult to people? If they bring this kind of advice come at, must you use insult or to insult people. No, my sister. And I knew where you are. This kind of topic. No, fine. I'm not gonna talk about the rest people where you mention put for this video where you even insult. But I'm talking about myself. Okay. No, me today they do this thing. Why if you know you don't fair do if I never see your video when we say you thought they refer to me now, maybe it don't reach 3 times. I never even mention your name one day for my live video. You understand? You even know somebody will be say, see they call you daughter where they France. You know that one still they close to me. Topic where you carry come, it they good. Not be me be governor of Edo State. Not be me go increase houses where they Edo State. The topic where you carry come, you are very right. You are very correct, my sister. Yes, because if you look at houses where they Lagos, some of them it mean nyama. You know even fine. If you see how much they pay, very expensive. But Edo State, oh, you can't be like say the shit put. I don't know. But don't come use that anger pour on me or pour on other people. You say you never see other people. But now my old you don't sing as my old fan rich. But it's okay. Some people there for this life. They go if a mansion they will give an art for free. They go give an art for free. Bible say, what can it profit a man when he get the whole world and lose his soul? This life now touch and go, then this life be. You understand? So now touch and go. So you know if you expect say the money where you go they pay for, where they pay for rent for abroad, you go be the same amount for Africa. Never. If they think that one, my sister, this world go finish. You go another world go see come million times. It not go be like that because a boyan be a black in there, Ariana wa Aria way. You understand? So now I will me jo wa say you must do something back home. Yes, people have to do. People get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. You understand? So if you were to talk, so some places there for that Bini where they pay 350 for rent. It day 400. It day. Depending where you build your house, put now the rent go take go up. Where we are bowa you say one village say we be say far for town, in far maybe mi oko kenwa trefe area ring road jaro you go inside in far. If you did that say before you go see Anya yourself, you go the hard. How you take especially somebody go kind of for 800,000 naira? No. It's very, very impossible. So I'm not to say make not carry this kind of topic. Come on, yes, you are free to carry it. You know, you are free to say, but don't use words of insult. No measure people put. Fine, you feel measure my name. Fine, you feel use me as an example. Say you don't see my O. So or give me organo. Fine, or maybe other people who see they. But don't use all those insulting words. Then make me come and just clear to you. Okay, my sister, because even all these kind of things. I get you to be a live. I be with me away in marry poor man. You see me say I marry poor man or I marry man where they do babiara they go for social media. Now me carry myself enter. Or I can I go see carry myself come out. Or you see me say na rent house a day or na mortgage as a day. You pay mortgage. Please, it's enough. You know, start find a good topic you carry command. Yes, you know you brought out a good topic. You know, I appreciate that. You say make people talk put. I don't talk put. There are some people where did that in Nigeria, so did that Edo State. They don't even feed they eat. You know they go house. You know say house be. Me they go. Me they buy things give people. And they share things. Sometimes if before I go Nigeria, I go cargo things. I go cargo reach like 3 or 4 bag. Clothes go there. Different things go there inside. I go share them. I be because I know they do live video like the rest. Let me say if I go house, if I want chat things, say I will carry live video come out. Okay, because say I know they do none of you say I know they do all this. I they do. Okay, maybe next time if I go house now, I go do live video, make una see. Because see, if I do all those things, I never carry live video come at one day say make a show one. But I they do. So that is why I know they support any charity with the social media. I never support any of them before because why na me be charity. I talk right from time say na me be the charity. Cause things when me they buy, they go house. Anytime where they go, if they reach for luggage, 5 sometimes. I they share give people. They are not my family, oh. They are your be like people will say, I don't know. I don't go my school, my college will be say I don't fair go. I'll go they share all those things. Maybe next time I will say if I they go, I go see buy, I go do live video, make una see. It don't take where they do all these things right from time. Na case one, I will charity. You understand so? So things they hard. You were there, yeah, you are still okay. If things not they hard, what people they come out from Nigeria, go they die for sea. They'll go Morocco, go die for there. They'll go Libya, go die. They'll go different African country. All the sake say, I want have a good life. Now the good life, marry those where you want, not be you take come out for Africa. Now I make you take come out for Africa. Say you can't rent, you can't increase your rent. It depends on each person, each individual. If you like, say that my house is which I give out to people for free. Only my come monya you me no friend say waka bo why the hard. Zo. So people go do all those self, stay for street. Gather money, family go beat you journal, they go collect your money, they go see it and they'll sit and you say, hey, you know if you do anything, you the crazy, they'll cost you journal self, you the man, if you want boy, for your money, they will say cost you journal. I understand that. Don't use all those insult words. Hey, try, my sister, please. I'm begging for the last time. Don't do it again. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Don't even do it again. And gossip wala. Whenever people they talk, don't attach my picture. Don't go to my Facebook. I don't give you that right. I don't give you that right to go to my Facebook and take my picture there and attach it to any nonsense. Do you understand me? Do you understand? Gossip wala. Don't go to my Facebook anymore and take my picture. Don't try it. I'm telling you, in fact, and they give you a sad warning. Sad warning. Don't go to my Facebook page and take my picture and attach it to nonsense. If not, I go report that my picture. I don't want it. Put somebody else's picture there. Put that for there. What kind of nonsense is this? So somebody when we say Maria those talk now, you carry everybody picture couple for there. Stupid bloggers. If you say Maria those, if you talk anything, something where we say you know every day nice, must you go carry get picture, carry this one picture, carry them a picture. If person they do good thing, you not go share them oh. You not go share. I never see say you don't share my video one day. In fact, not even share my video. I never ask you. But don't attach my picture to any nonsense. Please. Now they find the trouble they go. So now they carry trouble for this social media. It things they cool. Everywhere they cool. Peace. They know. Why go law? Una no want. Why I got the problem? Hey saga now we want to now saga I wish I come here and say maybe I just come here nene boy. I will see thousands. I don't want. But I just content and say I not be the government. I not be governor of Edo State. Era me marry governor. Era me marry politics. Okay, woo. My father was not into politician before he died. The man is stronger for himself. He stand by himself. He get houses. He do many things. He get he do many things for himself before he go. So me no know. I no one can do that thing for overnight to change the price of rent for that Edo State. I don't even know how that one will take possible. I don't know how that one will take possible because there are many people to survive in the hard. Because one, Meriedos, Lagos and Benin, they are different. Lagos, Abuja and Benin, is different. Okay, Lagos and Abuja is different. You understand? So Lagos is big past Benin. So there are many opportunities where they Lagos, where we say people take the trade, many things. They Lagos is different. Now, Abuja price of rent is still high past Lagos. Why? Because Abuja and posh area some are. You understand? So there are some company, there are some different things. See, they Abuja. So that is why the price where they there see high past the price of Lagos. Even this Lagos where they talk, so there are still some area for rent now 250, 300, 250, 180. You see there. 1 bedroom flat, you will sell for 150, 170, 180 for that Lagos too. Depends of the area. And that's what you see be. You understand? So if they carry somebody rent your house for 800,000, be 700,000, beg me or come beg you, make you give me the agent or make you tell me how you take do your own, so that me or come see beg you say I beg Meriedos, lick me put me and you carry my own giver, make you put on for 800, 700, 600 if it possible. EJ a co 600,000 naira amawe Edo. Where for the comfort? Where for the con? So you know we see flat or house for 600,000 naira for Lagos. Now the price of the area and the price of the house, I swear. Now you see for that price of 800, 700, 500,000. For which area I did last year? I don't forget. I don't see Ikorodu. No, not be Ikorodu area. I don't forget the area. Now 3-bedroom flat that get the stay. She and her husband and her junior brother. Now 3-bedroom. How much? Now 300,000 naira. And the flat big. The flat big. Now 6 flat. Now they the compound says 6 flats. Now they the second. Now they the compound. And even the man we get and safe. The man try. Now 6 flats. Now they the second. Now they the compound. Now 300,000 naira because me I ask say how much for this house? It's in 300,000 naira. And the room's big. You see so? So now so it be. So if you know how to carry rent, because me I don't know, if you know Meriedos, the way to put rent to 800,000, Meriedos. So you want that people come up for Benin, Abi? Beleo, if you know how to do it, the way to go or the way person will pass through, let us know. In fact, let me know me where they talk. Now me you refer the message to say me where get houses. Where we say the one where you see, the one where me show one time where you see self say that one our oga. But you tell me. A person to carry that ask for 700,000 naira for Edo State. It's not easy. For this abroad, it's easy. Small for Africa, it's not easy, my sister. Things not easy. Oh, me everywhere things is fast. It take the grace of God, then make them they survive. For years now, there's a benefit. God made they support this. Women will be saying winner, men will be saying winner. Government they support them, be Una get am for Africa. E dey Nigeria. E no dey Edo State. E no dey Edo State. E no dey Nigeria. Go to that stupid Delta State governor wey go give Bonny Boy 10 million naira. That stupid, useless, dirty governor of Delta State, Warri State. That idiot. He carry 10 million. Those wey come sing for concert. He say all of them, he go give them 10 million naira. Dirty governor. Can you imagine that 10 million? If na 10 people come sing for there, you give them 10 million. That is why Oyibo better pass Africa. Oyibo no go put money, put water, put for the cup wey don't fair full. Instead, they'll come use that money to develop other oncoming artists. This man, because say Bonny Boy win an award, and so what? Now he award you win. He not win my own. He not they feed me. I know in fact, me playing his own music safe. I see they promote am. They charge me money for my internet. I they pay for my internet. You understand? Okay. So why you not use that 10 million to develop country, street, road, or instead there's a youth or create jobs for the youth? 10 million naira. Oh, if not 10 people they there. 10, 20, 30, 40, 100 million. Oh, Africa is gone. Africa is gone. 100 million. That 100 million now, the official take open small hospital for free. The man not do one. Instead, he want to say in too much because he want boy win awards. Bonny Boy win. As the boy get your boss where they with him for stage, he say all of them come on for year for 10 million naira. Million. Not be 5,000 naira. Say, okay, I will give you guys 5,000 or 1 million naira. He say 10 million. That one not be stupidity. That one not be fool. Just to show off. Oyibo no they show off. Oyibo government no they show off. Instead, they will invest the money into the country to develop the country. Like a person like me now, I don't go fit go ask for benefit. Why? They'll first check my bank. They'll first check my job. They'll come add my husband. Oh, say, you want chaos? La. They go your cross on. They'll say, wow, you, yeah, make now they go. Una do they okay. Now the ones where they don't do okay, now government they help. Now government they help. They'll see your back and can they'll not say sissy not there inside. They'll come before they'll come they support you. Not be so my people. Not be so for this abroad. How many people where they sing for this country? Beyonce. Name whatever, all those things. How many government don't give 100 million pounds, 100 million euro? How many una don't sing? Africa things, they are just so stupid. They are just so foolish. So my dear Mary, those my sister, please, next time, if they address issue, not they use harsh words, and not they use insulting words to people. E.g., person like me, Jennifer. Okay. If I'm doing my things, I'm just doing it for a fun. You understand? So, I'm just doing it for a fun. I'm not doing it for say, hungry they beat me. I dey suffer. Without that place, I no go feel it. Without that place, Jenny, the CEO of Calling, I no go feel it. No, nah. No. You understand? So, or when I wear me phones, I if they do something fun, you know, you go leave and to do it they mind. Or to do it he or she like. Let me say that person they suffer, maybe that person say, okay, without, you know, do page show for Facebook, for whatever, they not go eat. No. So la will go. I see me, I come beg you. Not be me, be the government of Edo State. And in fact, I don't even have the power to increase rent. Say rent must be 600,000 naira or 700,000 naira or 500,000 naira. It's impossible, Mary Edos. It's not possible. Women on omu. Because even me go how much did they earn in a month? Can't you consider as well? You are a human being, my sister. You are a human being. Definitely you have the art of God because they do your hair, extension, whatever to do as a bone straight, human straight, whatever. How much you tell the seller? You see the pity for them. You say give them cheap price. So now so you see be for this life. You understand? So now so you see be for this life. All hands are not equal. All fingers are not equal. Not be the amount wey me get, now you get. Not be the one wey you get, now get. So some people they now, they go to look for food. It's money now. Some people never see food eat. Gari they not get for inside house. Gari. That is the country that we are living. Country we be say is the great country before, the richest, in fact, Nigeria is the giant of Africa. No, they are useless. So, but say Nigeria is one of the richest Africa country. Where for they come? They are rich. The money is there, but where is the money? They sit down and put all the old people. They sit down and put. Do you understand? So, because our country that country Nigeria, you for be like the country where we say Oyibo go see they go safe, go they visit, just the way they go Spain sometimes, tourist area. But Africa, Nigeria is not like that. So what till you can't see me, I can't talk put na Mary Edos. Mary Edos, I dey call you now. How you say me I take content talk put for rent now? Where you want can't kill me put? Where you want cost? Where they cost me put? Say Jennifer can't talk put. How you say me I can't talk put for rent? Eh? Ye government. Ye government. It men aware. Eh? Me I don't get that strong mind though. Or why I remember Jennifer I don't get money. I leave her to sleep. I will give her a plate. Say go stay. Go sit down for the year. Even place where my house where I get that time for year. Person where police they look for that time. Not be Nigeria get that time. And Ghana get police they look for and I need put her for house. I don't even fear because that girl they say emo that time. If they say emo that time, they cannot pay share a rent. No, because even rent save and not they pay that time. Now 3-bedroom house. I they stay for 1, 2 come they just the empty. Because I can't give her to the other girl make the stay. 1 come see the empty, 1 small one. If my friends they just come, we do party for Friday night whatsoever, they fit stay there, you know, because that right from that time me I like enjoyment, okay. So like that. That how that girls they come, you know, they will come there, we will gist, we will laugh, we will do party, they break, they will sleep, they break, you know, so that's what it be. So that's what my life be. I beg, the be refer to me, ye government to he might do here increase ego why I know say is it's very painful. Yes, I feel you say you don't drive your own come on. No, you drive come on. Me no go feel go drive people go the road now the suffer. Me for the house to be empty. Make people dead yet then they bring a couple of minutes now. Yes, for that house to be empty, say like empty. No people dead there. The compound is empty. Babe, trust me, I don't get that mind. I will say me they dead there, they pay a couple meaning. Yes, I prefer that so. To be honest, so yes. I said, but just day. So far, maintain the place. Brothers, good evening. I greet you, sir. So far, maintain the place. So far, arrange the place in your hole. Help me maintain the compound. Now, somebody tell them, say, those compound help me to maintain now. Or for me, I don't want stress, tenant stress for my ear. Me, I'm going to tenant stress. We boy me, man, tenant stress. Chuki me, I'm out of Africa. You might have got a tenant stress. So that is who I don't want. So far, repair the place where they live. Maintain the compounds. Make sure say everything they intact. Don't damage anything. If you damage, me Jennifer, now one call go make, you must pay everything when say you damage. Finish. Or for when you made the whole 20 but worry, no wade empty. Udawi gware. 100,000 naira or on no, my sister, I can't do it. I don't get the mind. I don't get the mind to just drive people. They'll come outside. They suffer. They look for place to stay. No, I not fit. Egui koji. Egui. I don't get the mind. I can't do it. I hope you understand me now. So I'm not the landlord. Sorry, I'm not the government. I cannot, in fact, I don't even have the power right now to, yeah, you can increase your house. Yeah, you have the power. Yes, you have the power to increase your properties. It's your house. You can increase it. But also look what is going on around the country. My dear sister, look what is going on around the country. Is this particular time that you want to increase your rents? One. Number two, which location you build your house put? The location also determine how much the tenants will pay you. 3. Not put family people put for house. Hello, Meriados, I'm talking to you. Look for Yahoo boys. Look for Yahoo boys. Yes, because Yahoo boys, some of them they pay well. Look for Yahoo boys where be say they will still pay well. Tyrio. Because if you put family people, you say me they can't pay how much? 500 waiting. 500 Meriados. Are you dreaming? 500,000 for where? For that Bini. Is you? Which where? Nigeria. Where? Saple Road. Amaba.
I'm paying the tax in your car.
Huh?
I'm paying the tax in your car.
Oh, you are paying the tax in my car. Thank you. You understand? It's not possible. This abroad. Nah, you know if you compare abroad. Say my husband say in the pay tax. I know they pay insurance for my car. And they do all those things for me. You see? But abroad, Africa, you fit get 3 houses, 4 houses. I said 3 houses. 4 cars, 3 cars. You go there the same compound. Who pay taxi? Who pay road tax? Who pay insurance? Who pay MOT? Abroad, can't see how much I for my road my insurance of my car. The road tax where they pay. MOT. You see and so. You see, but Africa, they'll get 5 cars for compounds. For this country, you fit drive somebody else's car, they drive and they go for street. Where police will catch you. You do not know the crime. Nigeria, so far you get driving license, you fit they drive somebody else's car. Some people they say never get driving license. Some cars there for Nigeria, no tax, nothing. If you get money, you put money for inside your boots. If you just see police, they see all those road whatever, they give them money. Hey, Augusta, hey, madam, hey, like that. You come out. That's a deadly country where we say corruption don't key. Pastors, they are all 419. All of them that have private jet, they are all witch. They are all 419. If pastor is those are the ones who say contribute the damage that we have in that country, Nigeria. Pastors are the people that contribute damage that we will get for Africa. They are rich. All the rich, they're rich. Where the poor, they're getting poorer. Every day they are poor. Poverty want keep people for that Benin. Now you can't say you want increase rent. Maybe those to 600,000 naira. You want kill them. I beg my sister, take them easy. I don't say for you, you do not they suffer. You do not they suffer at all. You understand? I beg, say sorry for them. Because it's not easy for that Africa, Nigeria, that Benin city, where me for take, where me come for. It's not easy there. Things is very hard. Things is very difficult. Sometimes look at left and right. So when they easy, where that okay, let increase 500, 600, so for year. If they pay that amount for 1 year, before the next year, you left for Arigwe. What drive you Arigwe? We have Arigwe. Hey. Oh, Korigada. Oh, come forward, though. You want drive the go village? Where you go there abroad, they enjoy. Come on. Ijo, you go there abroad, you go there enjoy. I'm not saying it's not easy to build houses. My late dad that time, if he take Ketika, you say, Ketika, you go wow, maybe because he get by 3 Ketika, we say, and they'll go to bring money come for different houses, where he get. Oh, Baba, you go, when you gonna have this meat? When you gonna have money block? You see, Mother used to use that word. When you gonna have money block here? When you gonna have this meat here? We gonna have a logo. You money blocking. We gonna have money block. Those are those days because those ones like my father type. They did that Nigeria. They did that Benin City. They make their money in a very genuine way. They build their houses. Not 1, not 2, not 3. Those ones I go still understand. See if they complain because what a politician. Yama a pastor, yama gele also, yama strong go. But we see that is abroad. Yes, so we see fast. It not easy. It not easy. So people they go the road, street, as soon as just to get customer. People when they do normal job, they will come on for house in the morning. That ask Mary, those where you see, do you know how much they fẹ́ kill me? Where they fẹ́ eat me? Ask that sister where they France, where you know. That woman, Iman is soigné, Jemana. Necessarily, that woman where you say, see no. Ask her, 50M. You will come out, go wake up 6 o'clock in the morning, they come out, they go work. I can't ask for night. They fit it, they plug the money for you. In fact, I don't want. Because I don't start, I have to just finish it. To bring, the thing come out in a very good standard. I'll give me opinion. You was saw it. For that, my old YouTube that time. I never know that video go viral or go reach Vera hand according to Atiti. Over 20,000 or so for YouTube watch that thing. You understand though? So now it's not easy. Man, when there is normal job say not easy. You get up in the morning, early in the morning, but you go to waka. So while your feet go to pay you, your leg, your hands, you go to pay you. Not like when you still go holiday. Maybe you still go Nigeria, like people like us, we like Gran Canaria, we like Tenerife, you know. You see, go there, go see, enjoy yourself 2 weeks or 3 weeks, see, return back. Ofo, it's work. Nah. So that is it. Oh, now so I get and reach my people. I'm not here to disgwagwa anybody because it can ya bina, tiebo no one. Now you know the like. So I just say me, I just can't give tell Meriados, I beg, don't do. Not be me go increase houses. If you increase your my own me do okay. I'm fine. Whenever I'm ready, I feel like I give one to charity. Say yeah, they free of charge. Only one kind anybody. You this one way they free. The other place free. The other place free. Yeah, working. All my boba, all you know, all guy, they will not mind safe. Yes, people do. Now because some people they will see here go on like people like us. My show off. People they will say that they do good. You know, yeah. On one boga no one person you don't do that for person for free. He give her go and stay there for until you die, until God will see bless you. He give her the key of your house. He there for that Benin, there for that Edo State, there for that Nigeria. If he there for this abroad, I'm gonna boga no way. Areva for that flat. I give you. You know they now. It day. Am I lying, my people? Waumwa. Ekene ya bina no bana ekene ya bina bano ekene ya tie but why make comment or the make comment ba why like it saga why make comment or the big comment fire me write down this no. So I just came to tell her that you should stop all those insulting words. It's not good. Stop it. Waka go without insult not the inside. Emma, who not find trouble, not find trouble. Who not near you, not near the person. Who not near you, don't near that person. Who not find trouble, don't find the person trouble. I don't know why people love all those things. So Meriados, call. So now this message now Compass give you. I don't have any other thing to say to you, but please, take them easy. Life na je. Who get today, you know? Who get today? Sorry, who not get today go get tomorrow. Who get today not forget tomorrow. You see, now so this life, where Joe get money rich, he get everything. Where devil want strike and down, because God, devil no say Joe. God love Joe well. He no say Joe get everything, nothing where Joe not get. That's what Bible talking. Say it was the richest man. He rich past thief of Dangote will be thief, will be killer. You understand? So, but you are genuine. But when devil man strike the man, then strike can person will get money. It can't be the man can't be a beggar. In fact, that beggar will see be so. He not say curse God. Devil come tell and say curse God. I will give you all your wealth back. He said no, go with your wealth. He said what can it profit a man when he gets the whole world and lose his soul? You see? So that is it, my people. What can it profit a man? You understand? That is it. That is it. They're not go better you put put money before they go better you know. Now only you want they go. In fact, your soul is gone. Immediately, we will say you close your eye. Your soul don't come on. Go meet the owner we create. Now only the body dead here. Only the body na dead here. E body man ya you know flinking ya. Ya ba me va me flink. They'll get a holiday flats, holiday houses for different countries. Flinking ya. Not only we Africa, all these things they flink. But maybe not the way, the kind of country where we city grow. So that is why. So, Meriados, I beg you, in the name of God, next time when they talk to me, please put a sign of, give me respect. just give me my own respect. I'm a big woman, I'm a mature woman of myself. I'm not a baby. Put respect. Oh, well, Jennifer. Anyway, call this. What call this? I call this anyway. So, Jennifer. And that is stupid. Why? Why all those things? Why you use all those words of insult? It's not fair. Stop it, guy. It's not fair, ma. Go anyway without one. We insult teacher. She been they talk now. I never put insult now. I usually talk to you as a mature person. Now so mature person they talk or can respond to one. On or 1 minute or more money no. Or 1 minute where men no here go or nenda eti we saga no. Sometimes Allah bira don't be stupid. Allah bira don't be silly. So you came up now, you did do hair. You get one hair we are put for my get one wig we are do. Now braid now. People if I put on for my head, if I put on for my head, if I wear on me, yeah, will live video, that will all fall in love. Oh please, so this you I say I do it myself. I also did it. I put on for my YouTube that time, my old YouTube. People like they saw the way I take doing, they can't see doing. So you now, they do your own now, which is good. It's good now. You are teaching people how to be creative. Be creative, not to carry people hair. It's okay. Focus on that one. Hey, it's a bone of mama, sister. Hey, it's a bone of my Emma. That will go. No good. To be honest, ebonati no one waka go magwa, waka bring advice. Who come at a bone of my Emma? No. Person never fair insult you or talk to you before, not just carry insult. And then name you check mama, not your money. And then name me Ariwa, Edede, all those things is fast. It's not good. It's not good. Thank you, my sister. So that is it for now. So I just tell you, Una do well. God bless all of you guys. Make na take them easy, For me, I saga now. You guys have to stop it. So that's where trouble not go finish for social media. Trouble not go finish for social media. She be the injection where a pirate movie create yesterday now. She be AI that trouble now will be say a pa break 14 table leg. 14 table. Now a pa break the leg yesterday night. She be AI now see pastor, hey. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you all for watching. God bless you guys. Now we get houses for Bini. Make na take come easy, na small. Those way see run the house. Inyame go where you are. Inyame Obama senior Inyame, they manage. And those way they do trade, they go market, they go go see sell something. Not be all they work for government house, not be all go school, not be all they work for office. If your office work, say people they do clean for this country. If you money pass them, I beg. Okay, increase how? Yeah, you can increase but there's the not that amount where me say you talk is 700,000 naira, 700, 800. Myriad those. Which area the house they? Na Ring Road, na center of Ring Road. The house near Palace. The house there, like, is it after Palace? Now the next house, now your house there. Now you see person will go rent. If you say the house every day inside Palace, even you rent. You me go ya rent, you le. You me go ya rent, you will beg go. They will run. 800,000 naira. For where it dey? 700, 600 for Benin City, Edo State. Where I take grow? Where hey. Okoto, Meredo si akuma pawedore. You want that people come out for Benin? Abi? You want that everybody come out for Benin, make them go village? Not that my auntie, I still get some aunties who will be say, they see they rent. They see they pay their own rent, So, joke can pass my people, you know, me not say if I dey talk, sometimes I dey laugh where we're here. But, una way get house. Una way be landlords and landlady wey dey abroad. Make una see the take am easy with na tenants wey be say una get for Nigeria. Why many tenants dey set landlord up? Na be all this type. Landlord go dey nyawe kati. That is why tenant fit set landlord up to go look for boss. Say that my landlord don't come from abroad. Oh yeah, he dey stay for so place. If na be bad landlord and bad landlady, no let your tenants know where you dey stay or no even live with your tenant if you bad to them, they will set you up. They will just set you up. So I talk and reach. Una bye bye you later.